NCB officer has been summoned by the Mumbai Sessions Court after drug peddlers Basit and Zaid filed for bail application before court. Now, this is the information coming in that the NCB officer has been summoned by the Mumbai Sessions Court after drug peddlers Basit and Zaid filed bail application before court. Mustafa Sheikh joining us live for more details. Mustafa, the drug peddlers are trying hard to get a bail. NCB officers have now been summoned by the Mumbai Sessions Court now after those drug peddlers Basit and Zaid have filed for bail application before court. What do you think is going to be the next course of action?
There are two updates, Nabila. First being that yes, as the bail application was filed in the Sessions Court, the NCB officials have been summoned at Sessions Court. The second update is of the Magistrate Court, where we are present at this point of time. Three accused, Kaizan, Miranda and Shovik, have been produced in the court. It's the 64th court at Esplanade Court. The sitting magistrate is N.N. Joshi. Now what we are getting to hear is that Satish Manashinde, who is appearing for Shovik Chakrabarti, he's basically arguing for Shovik Chakrabarti. He's present inside the court. The other important point we are getting is that basically they will have to, the NCB officials will now have to go to Sessions Court, answer as to what is the investigation going on, because at the Sessions Court, a bail application has been filed for Zaid and Basit. Remember, what is crucial here is that if Zaid and Basit get a bail, then the entire case is likely to be affected, because they are the premise on which the entire case is being made out. And also importantly, there is an application which was filed by the lawyer of Zaid, saying that whatever statement which has been given in the questioning of NCB has been given under pressure, and it is false. So if that also is argued, so the case entire change, because as we were discussing earlier, this is not how the regular NDPS cases progress. It's only exceptional in this case that a case is being made out and the entire cartel is being unearthed on the basis of electronic evidences and statements of the accused. So it's a different thing which is going to happen, and we were saying that rightly it will be challenged legally and in the court of law. Maybe after this, after Session Court, High Court, the NDPS, NCB will have to prove on the NDPS how they are progressing with the case and whether section which they are doing it, the bail is allowed or not. So these are different things we'll get to here. But yes, a long court day for the NCB official on a Saturday. Back to you.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.